Let me show you guys how to create this 2-minute smoky eye using the Master Mattes palette. So I already have some bronzer in my crease. I want to keep this super simple. So I'm just taking a clean flat shader brush and I'm going to go in with this chocolatey brown color right here. I'm going to be super careful in applying this because I've already done my base. I'm just packing that on all over my lid. I'm using this powder puff just to prevent and catch any fallout. When you're done, it should look something like that. I'm just taking a clean fluffy brush and I'm just blending out the edges. Even though we have bronzer in the crease, I'm gonna go in with this reddish brown shade here. You can skip this step, but I just wanna make the transition right here a little bit smoother. I'm taking that black shade on a pencil brush and I'm just smoking out the outer corner. Just like that, and then gently blend it inward with my fluffy brush. Just adding a black pencil in the waterline. I'm gonna pop on some fake lashes, smoking out the bottom lash line with a little bit of that black shadow mixed with bronzer. And here is the completed eye look.